All right, we got about 30 seconds till market opens. Here we go. Big sell off on Apple, Nasdaq selling off. So currently markets 0.4 for Nasdaq, 0.5 for S&P. Now Apple continues to sell off, Nasdaq selling off. Let's see, Dow Jones is up 0.5. Markets are still very weak. On the daily, above 14,300. We're start looking good. It's not going to happen though. We need to rise about 300 points, which is probably going to be like a few percentage points. Probably like 2%, 3%. Nasdaq continues to sell off. We have some strength in Dow today though, value stocks. Let's see. The Dow. The Dow's still holding that 0.5%. Nasdaq's gonna go red soon. Microsoft selling off. Nasdaq very weak. Very weak for the Nasdaq. It's a shame. It looks like we got out of this range that we had yesterday. It looks like we got out of it and then we broke back into it. We're probably gonna hit that bottom range again of 13,900. See what kind of bounce we get here. We get about a significant bounce back up to about 14,045. You could look to get short for the continuation down. Can we get any bounce at all here? Tesla selling off. AMD's at 114. Dang, that shit sold off hard. I still want AMD, I'm not gonna lie. I'll look to get this one. If it hits 110, I'll definitely buy it up. Square down 3% on the day. Alright, let's see if Nasdaq have some type of pop. There it goes. Let's see if it wants to get up to 45. I went short there at 41. It's gonna be a quick in and out. Got at 45. I was expecting to get filled a little higher there, but it's fine. Nasdaq getting rejected at that EMA and VWAP just like we thought it would. It's unfortunate that it's so weak. Hopefully we could get a big day today, like a 400 500 point day on Dow at least. Nasdaq still holding there. It looks like it's gonna pop here. I jumped there in there at 45. Let's see if we could get that pop. Or is this gonna sell off? Yeah, it's gonna sell off. I got out. Oh, it still could pop. It just looked kind of weak. I thought I was gonna do it right away. Didn't do it. We need a 2% day on Dow today. Man, Nasdaq markets are weak. Wow. It's a shame. It's a shame. You could probably see Nasdaq making a move, like I said, back down to this bottom range of 975. Oh wow, look at that. Massive jump there. These are sketchy though. I don't jump in on these just because they could flush right away. I always just like to wait to see what follows this move. If it's an actual real move, or if it's just going to be one of those fakes. Because we could just get a flush back down right now. So be careful. It's popping there still, nice. Netflix on the low, it's down 1%. Squares too. Let's see if we can hold the VWAP and EMA here. We gotta get out of this range that we were in yesterday and last night. Nasdaq's looking to continue the move here. There it goes. Big candle there. Very nice. Massive candle. Got about 30-40 handles already. Let's see, where do we have some resistance? So we do have like a triple top here at 132. And then another kind of top here at 118. So you gotta watch out for those two. The move continues. Very nice. Let's see if we could get up to like 130, 150. I'll try to add some shorts for a quick sell-off of profit taking. We'll see if it can make the move. It needs to make about another 30 handles from here. It could do it. It has the strength. Come on, you're almost there. About 20 more handles, 30 more handles. Nasdaq's getting, S&P getting stuck there. I'm gonna go short on the S&P. It's already forming three wicks. It's getting pushed down every time it tries to pop again. Let's see if we can get some type of rejection here. It's holding here pretty good, so I might just get out. See if it could sell off here or not. I'm gonna go ahead and get that there because this thing's kind of forming a nice little flag here, little bull flag. So you might see another move. There it goes. S&P's popping. I'm in there on Nasdaq. Let's see if we can make a move up to 150. Ah, it's getting rejected already. Let's go. That candle's ugly. Needs to start popping right there. Needs to start making that move with momentum. So we could get another one of these big green candles. Ah, that sucks. You would want the move to happen right away, not like this, where it's just kind of fighting to get up there. It should have the strength to pop. But it keeps getting sold into. Apple, big green candle. Sorry, Tesla, not Apple. Tesla's flying. Yep, Tesla is flying, but Nasdaq is stuck. Come on, let's get it. Let's make that move. Here we go. I'm gonna take it there. It's taking forever to move. Finally wants to pop there. Again, at 150, 140s, I'm going short for a quick move down. Let's see if we can get a pop up there. We need about 20 more handles. See if this thing can make a move up there. It's getting stuck here. Let's see. Let's get a little bit more of strength there to get up to 150. Nah, doesn't look like it's gonna do it. We got to get above 4,400 for S&P, which is about 50 more points, which is, puts us about 2% for the day, a little bit over 2%. If we could get above that 4,400 and hold today, very bullish for the S&P. Nasdaq, let's see the 1 hour chart. Nasdaq, we got to get above 14,400. Start looking good again. Again, don't know if that's gonna happen. We'll see. All right, here we go. Nasdaq's trying to make another move up there. Let's see if it can get to 150. Would be the next kind of resistance that I see for short term. And then S&P would be 1456. That 56 level would be a good level for a nice little resist. Oh, it's already selling off. We have some nice little resistance there on the 1 hour. Looks like we're not going to make that move up there, unfortunately. Let's see if this thing has a little bit more strength to get up to 150, and then Nasdaq to up to like about 56. I'll go short. Square very weak today, down 3%. Let's see if we can get another bounce here on Nasdaq. Doesn't look like we're going to get that bounce that we're looking for, which is all right. Starting to sell off here. Gonna just wait. Let's see if we get where we start bouncing on Nasdaq. It's probably gonna be that 80 level, probably like around 80 or so. We'll start bouncing a little bit. Starts forming some nice support. Starting to bounce here a little bit. Let's see what kind of bounce we get though. right, we're getting some type of bounce here. Let's see what it turns into. Nice, nice, nice. If we get a micro pullback, I'll jump in long. Got in at 11. Let's see if what this does, or if this is gonna get rejected with that big wick. Not looking good. Gonna hold for a little bit longer. A little bit more. Let's see what it does, and I'm out. That's one of those fake out candles, you know. Get in long. Next thing you know, it shit fakes you out. It's unfortunate. I was really expecting a nice move here, but probably gonna see make a lower low now. See how low we go though. That fake was pretty brutal. Got me pretty good. Nasdaq's just been super weak the past few weeks. Any rally we have just gets sold into. All right. Let's see what happens here. Big sell-off on Nasdaq, and damn, S&P sold off big. I was about to go short too. Wow, big sell-off for both of these. Let's see if we could get a bounce here at 53. Oh, it's already bouncing. This little bounce, don't believe it too much. It's probably gonna just get sold into as well. Let's see what if this bounce actually means anything here that we get. I'm gonna go short there on the S&P. See if it gets rejected here by this VWAP. I mean by the EMA. Gonna sell another one there at 41. Let's see what we do here. Oh, I thought I was doing two at a time, not one. Oh, nice pop there. Is it gonna mean anything? Gonna sell another one there at 42.25. Nasdaq's looking weak. Let's see if the S&P follows. Looks like S&P is holding good right now. It's popping there. Starts to break 45, we might want to get out. I'm gonna go short on Nasdaq there as well. Gonna add another one there at 73. Oh no, they're both popping. Let's see if we can get a break below 65 on Nasdaq. Below 65, and we'll probably make a move down to 55. Nasdaq's holding here. Might have to get out. Yeah. Got out of both. Pretty big loss there for both. It's probably gonna do what it did here, where it kind of just does a pop and it fakes everybody out to buy in, and then it sells off. But it's unfortunate that I had to get out there, because you just never know. You see what I'm talking about? It just already sold off that whole candle. Just when it does that though, it could definitely catch you pretty good. Next thing you know, if it starts to pop, it has a big candle like this, so it's better just to take your losses right away than to kind of wait. It is probably gonna pop though. Nice, here we go. Jump in there with another one. Let's get a pop back to 120. Can we get that move? Or is this gonna just sell off again? Let's go. Nah, it doesn't want to make the move. It has no follow through. Wow. Let's see. There it goes. That's a good candle. Let's go. You gotta get above 100. Gotta get above 100. Ah, that's ugly. Ah, man, these candles, man, they're so fucking ugly. They're faking me out. Ah, that sucks. Getting faked out, man. Look at all these wicks, not non-stop. Just wick on every candle, up and down. So it's just faking me out. Probably gonna just do one more trade and I'm done after this. I'm over trading, getting faked out too much. Just need to chill out. Take my loss for today again. Back-to-back red day so far. Had $180 loss yesterday. It's probably gonna be like a $300 loss today as well. Sucks. And it finally broke out, but it's just that wick, man. It just sells like so weak when it does it. Look at this. Has no follow through. And now it wants to pop. It's crazy. This movement is not that clear though. Like it pops and then it just sells in. It gets sold into. So, just gonna wait now. Should have waited here. Got a little too antsy. I was just chilling, you know, sitting around, not getting any trades. Microsoft looking good though. It's a shitty day. Ah, it's unfortunate. Tesla on the lows. Went short there on NASDAQ. I got Microsoft, Tesla selling off, so let's see if this wants to follow through as well. Took there at 75 and 73. Damn, that flushed pretty good, down to 50. Tesla's on the low. It's currently down. It just turned red. If we get back, we finally broke above this pattern again. But if we get back above this range, I mean, get below this range, we're gonna probably make a move eventually down to that 980. Here we go. Here's the next leg down. See how much we go. S&P's weak. Netflix. I mean, Microsoft, Tesla selling off. Nasdaq just made about a 70 handle move to the downside on those 3 candles. I was really expecting a nice green day today. Unfortunately, we're not going to get that on the market. Sucks. We've been selling off for quite some time now. Just been on a downtrend, man. Been on a downtrend. We might make, if NASDAQ cannot hold this level, we'll definitely make a new low below the 1300. We'll probably get into the 1200s. 12,000, sorry. Wow, big sell off, man. I'm telling you, the next level would be 980 to watch for. It's another about 40-point move down. Let's see if we could get a flush down there to 980. I'll jump in for a long. Here we go. Nice move. Got one at 81 there. See if it wants to flush a little bit more. I took another one there at 2 at 81. Got out there at 85. What the fuck? I thought it was gonna be. I thought I sent that at 90, but okay, it's fine. I was just looking for a small balance, which is what we got here already. I thought it was at 90 when I clicked it, but it's fine. We might have another leg down though, so be very careful. It is extended, but doesn't mean we cannot keep going down. You could see a move back down to. Wait up. Let's see what we got. Okay, be careful. Like I said, we could make another move down here. Around 50, I'll be a buyer for another bounce. See what kind of. Let's see how much we sell off here. S&P as well. I'll probably get in at 11, but I don't think it'll hit that. Nasdaq red, S&P's barely. S&P's green by 1.4%. Here we go. We're about to sell off again. Can we sell off another 30 handles, 20 handles? S&P at, what is that? What did I have here? Around 305. I'm a buyer. Don't think S&P would hit that, but if it does, I'm definitely buying in. Alright, I'm gonna just let that sit there for a second. I gotta go pee. Be right back. So we got a bounce there. Like I said, that's that bottom range that we have here on the NASDAQ. It's the bottom range at 75, 80. And we were able to bounce off of that. We went right below it, but we still bounced off of it. Let's see if this bounce has any significance, if it actually follows through, or if it's just going to sell back into it. They're going to sell back into it. Looks like we're starting to sell off again a little bit. Hey, leave that. Again, if we sell off back down here to these lows, I'll jump in again just so I could try to catch a bounce. We'll see if it hits. I'm going to just wait. All right, so it looks like we are going to make another move down, I think. Hopefully we can get another quick move down so that way we can get a nice bounce off of it. Let's see. Looks like it's about to make that move right now. There we go. Put in a new low. Let's see how much we could actually go down though. We're starting to get some support here, but would like to see this sell off a little bit more so that way we could get a nice bounce off of it. Yeah, we're getting some bounce here, it's fine. You could look to get long here on either NASDAQ or the S&P and kind of hold it for a little bit. See if we can make a move back up to like 335 or so, but it's going to take some time. It's not going to be as quick as the move we made up. Alright, so for now I'm going to end my stream. I'm going to go on my laptop, continue trading. We'll see what we close at. I'm probably going to trade for another 20 minutes only. Yeah. Alright, catch y'all tomorrow.